Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Obviously brave for what he does for a living, but also for eating steak and eggs before going up on that plane.
I can't get over getting rid of all the wrinkles.
That's right. It just
sign me up for that.
It's like cheap Botox. We'll take it. All right.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, and you know what? The heat may do a little something to you heading into the weekend. Boy, it is brutal out there. It hit the 100s with the feels like temperatures. You know, we hit 94 earlier this afternoon. That was enough to tie the record. Sometimes we can get through mid-July and still not hit these numbers. And here we are, you know, early May already, not just with a 94 today, but heading into tomorrow. I think records are on, well, they're going to be in danger once again. And Fort Lauderdale likewise today hit 95, tying the old record. So it's another scorcher tomorrow, and then just an isolated chance of a shower or a couple thunderstorms tomorrow. Emphasis on isolated. This front coming in is really not going to do much, but it will at least knock temperatures down for Mother's Day. So I think that will make a difference. So that will be in the low 90s as opposed to the mid 90s. So something there. 85 still in Marathon and Key West. But, you know, interestingly enough, with the humidity, that always really just drives it. 89 in Key West. So it's cooler than Miami right now, but it feels hotter in Key West because of all the humidity around you there. So that is still going to be the case as we head through tomorrow. Not much cloud cover today. We had this little batch of clouds that came in, and that's exhaust basically from the thunderstorms that have been blowing up across the panhandle. None of those are getting anywhere close to us, but that boundary as it slides down to the south will bring us a little bit of a break tomorrow, I think, with a few more clouds. So we'll have a bit more shade, but I don't think that's going to save us from getting it to record temperatures again. But you see some dotted dots there in blue, and I'll show you that on Rain Tracker. That's depicting the potential for a couple of isolated showers and even less coverage heading into Mother's Day. Steam heat again for next week. The difference will be is that we'll be able to at least produce a few showers and afternoon thunderstorms heading into the middle part of the week. So we'll talk about that as we get closer to it. We got a weekend though to plan out. Here is the forecast for Saturday morning. Notice the winds coming just due west there, and that's what happened earlier this afternoon. That's how we got temperatures that warm. But notice just a few specks of blue here. That would be about it. Just a slight chance of a shower. If something tries to get going, we could get a couple of thunderstorms, but that is, you know, on the isolated side here. And then for Sunday, even less coverage as we continue with a pretty nice forecast as far as dry conditions for Mom's Day. It's just going to be downright warm and very humid here. West wind at 10 for the beaches. The wind direction shift, though, has allowed for the rip current threat to go away. So at least there's something good there. And of course, the water temperature comfortable. No alerts for the Atlantic waters or for the Florida Keys. Looking good with light chop to at times moderate chop conditions for the Keys there. Mid-90s again for tomorrow. 96 Fort Lauderdale, 95 in Miami. The record is 96. We're going to be awfully close to that, and you factor in the humidity. And once again, I think we're looking at triple digits for the afternoon. As far as the forecast, we'll do it with mostly clear conditions and then a few clouds through the afternoon with rain chances right at 20%. I think that will be as much as we get. And in fact, on Sunday, I think coverage down to 10% for Mom's Day, and then the coverage coming up a little bit. Chances of daily afternoon showers and storms, but look at these temperatures here. A break Monday, Tuesday, and then right back into it. Mid-90s by next Wednesday.